Yes, hello everyone. Hello player game. How are you? Glad to see you guys joining us. Yeah, today we are continuing with what we were doing yesterday. Designing a playable, like a kind of a game level like this. And this is where we left off. We were having some issues with connection, so yeah, we didn't finish. But yeah, we are planning to continue with this. I'm great. I'm great. Glad to see you are doing great as well. Yeah, before we get into any of this, let's do some quick promos here. Let me see. Yeah. Today's stream is brought to you by the three add-ons. The first one is Fluent, which is an amazing add-on for creating hard surfaces, and corridors are like the ones we are creating. Right here, they have an amazing features like modeling tools like this. You can do box modeling. It just adds a bunch of tools for to help you with your hard surface modeling. You can even make these cutouts, things that would be really hard to do with by just using the Blender default tools. You can make pipes, you can make cloth stuff like that. It's a very powerful add-on, and you can get it if you want. Link is provided in the description. If you get it, it helps out the stream. There's also Extreme PBR and Extras. This is an amazing library of PBR textures that you can use. Includes a bunch of materials like water, grass, a way to mix them, car paint, bricks, any material you can think of is probably included in this add-on, and a way to blend those materials, mix them together with other materials. Link is provided. And then finally, my own add-on, Quick Decos, which is an amazing way to easily texture surfaces without doing a lot of steps. You can see how it's being used here, and you also see me use it in this stream. If you want to get it, link is provided. Hello, George P. Hello, just came. What do you mean by playable? Well, yeah, it's not really playable. It's just I want to finally have it in something like Unreal and see if I can do it, but it's not going to be playable. Okay, let's continue with this. I'm looking at a few things. Let's see. Where can we? We can add some pipes around here. And I already have pipes. No problem, man. So let's bring in some pipes. We're just starting right off where we had stopped yesterday. Can you make pistons? Like rig them and what? Yeah, I can, but not for this stream. I don't think they would. It was just a question. Yeah, I can make pistons. You mean like rig pistons? I haven't made them in a while, so might need to first watch a tutorial on just to brush off my skills. Maybe we can add some boxes around here. Do I have box? Thank you for subscribing. I paint your face. Thank you. Maybe add a tire. Make this a loop. Alright, that should be easy. Since the character is just following a path, all we have to do is just close this path and it should loop. So, and we would have, so the animation starts right here at frame 1. So let me just mark that area. So also want the animation to end at frame 700 if you wanted this to loop. So and so it's just going around, but I don't like how the camera rotates really fast here. So as he's about to rotate, maybe just smoothen this curve a bit. So the camera really rotates quite a lot here. Make the aspect ratio of the camera 180 by, you mean 1080 by 1920? 19, like this. I'm okay with that because we get to see. No. Now, you know, I think I like this aspect ratio better. Let's see. Because I've never heard of that. $10.90 by 1080, like square. Error. It's 1920. I'll prefer 1920 by 1080. Okay. I'm not sure if the square aspect ratio would work here because especially since I'm going to be posting this on social media and YouTube. But we can change it later. Let's first compose it. Now we can play with the aspect ratio a bit later. Let's first composite things and see. So I'm looking at some reference images here. I have this one, and I guess we can kind of make this door here. Let's make the door, this door, because I like how it looks. We can add it somewhere. So let's start with a plane. Okay, something like that, and we need to round off the corners, do we? Yeah, we need to round off. It looks like back rooms. What looks like back rooms? Yeah, let's round off this. I'm going to insert this, extrude, insert, extrude, insert. Just add in some nice details. Let's also add a bevel to this. It is an endless room, like a looped room. Yeah, that's, I guess, something, that's what we're trying to do as well, so maybe. Let's add that window. Yeah, this. Just pull this. So this is supposed to be some sort of glass, looking through glass like that. This needs to be thick. We can also add these, I don't know, ridges or whatever they're called. You can grab these. Any ideas how to increase Instagram followers? Well, if I had any, I would use them on my Instagram, because my Instagram is a bit, it doesn't have as many followers either. So yeah, if you have any, you can give me some tips as well. So, because I want to grow mine as well. Okay, let's add one there. Another one there. Hello, Fit World UK. How are you? How is UK weather today? Yeah, how is the weather for you guys that side? For me, it's a bit sunny. Okay, so that's the door. Now we can start working on the materials. Let me go to my texture folders. My texture folders. I think, let me see. Quick. Okay, I was working on another add-on, so messed up the other. Sunny in Mumbai too. Nice. Good power. Weather is wet, but inside with coffee and some green tea, all warm. Warm and cozy. Yeah, how do you make green tea? Do you get tea leaves from a live tree, tea tree or something? We don't really have green tea here, or is it a kind of a brand or something? I'm not sure. It is dusty in Iraq. So it's hot and dusty, is it? And how is it there? How is the 3D environment there? Let's look for metal. How are opportunities in Iraq? It's unfortunate that most of what I've heard of Iraq it's been in the negative light. So it would be amazing to hear some great perspective from artists, people who live there, because most of what I know about Iraq has been tainted by the media. So How is it there? Let me start with this. Create PBR texture, unwrap, cube projection. Okay, I'm going to start with a material like this. I want it to be basically the same as this, so let me use a color ramp here to colorize this. Your voice does not sound like you're African. Well, I'm not sure. I think it does sound like, maybe you're used to different accents. But yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway. How is it supposed to sound? I'm curious. Is it supposed to be like deep? It's very good. Nice. Good to know. Okay, so you want this to be metallic. No, not like that. Let's make this a bit darker, and we want to add in the dot, so let's use an ambient occlusion node. Input ambient occlusion. Your voice is like Australian and no, it's yeah, no, it's not. It's not even close. It's actually nah. I've had British people talk. It doesn't come even close. Okay, we want some ambient occlusion node here to create a dot mask. You can even increase the distance and the factor to amplify the results a bit. So something like that. The problem is that this ambient occlusion is based on screen space is a screen space ambient occlusion, so it changes with the camera or with the view, but that's okay for this. Say now, mate, in your most British accent. Now, mate. Nah, I can't do a good British accent. Let's bring in some rust. Let me just add a color. Use color 1. This has to be a factor, and this has to be yeah. Fleet, let us know. Does my accent sound anything like yours, or is this guy just playing me? Looks like algae on the door. I want to make it look like that. So, and I think it's supposed to look like rust. Maybe I can find some rust material in my walls. Yeah, there is this rust, but I think I had better rust. No, but in London, the capital, you would fit right in. Because there are so many accents there. Let me see. I can try maybe a Scottish accent. No, I can't. My accent is very crude. I can't really change it. Let me import in this text here. Use this as the rust. By the way, I'm just having fun with you, like free. Friend, sorry if you. No, no, I'm okay. I'm okay. I can take a joke, and it was a good one. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we can make this more reddish. Yes, add on RGB curves. Yes, the English accent is dying. Yeah, I think most accents are dying because people are migrating a lot. So it's really difficult to maintain the local accent. How do I connect nodes like how if you had Node Wrangler add-on, just make sure you have Node Wrangler add-on. You'll be able to, this add-on here. You can, if you have two nodes, say something like this, just hold on Control Shift and then drag left, right drag from one to the other, and they can blend easily. I think this is too saturated. Maybe we can even use a bump map somewhere. Just some bit of bump in the door, make this less saturated. And we have a door. We just need to make this glass. Bump is good. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Let's separate this into its own material. So we can even use origin to 3D cursor, use a mirror modifier on this. Apply rotation. Okay. Let's create a glass for this piece here. Make sure that it is connected. Like that. Why do you stream on YouTube, not on Twitch? Because most Blender users are on YouTube. And I have a channel of 50k subscribers. Trying to do that again to grow my subscribers again on another platform isn't that easy. So I'll stick with the audience I already have. Rather than trying to build a new audience from scratch, it's a lot of work. And you can't really be sure if you will have success from there. And also, people can easily rewatch my stuff if they want to. So it's just a lot of perks for streaming on YouTube. Alpha blend, no. Let's see. We can use a glass shader here. Like that. Okay. We need to do a few things. I'm going to bring in an input for now. Layer weight mask. Let me import some scratches. Do I have any? Yeah, something like this. Importing as a texture. Nice work. Thank you, mate. Okay, you say packs instead of packs. It sounds cool. don't get offended. No, I'm not an easy person to offend. I'm not easily offended. Don't worry. Okay, so we have this. We can blend the Fresnel. We can do color burn. So that the scratches are most visible at an angle rather than directly like that. And we can have this as the roughness, have this connected. Did you use pen or mouse? For what? I'm mostly using my mouse, and I don't think there is anything I'm doing here that would require a use of a pen. Pens are usually needed for sculpting, but in this case, since we are not sculpting, they are not really that necessary. Okay, I'm trying to see if this is having any effect. Let's add a math node here. Let me see. Yeah, so that's what I wanted. Now we can even come here, just play with the refraction so we can easily see what's on the inside like that. And we have now a door. Now we need a door handle as well, so we can add that in here. I'm just going to start with a plane. If I turn off clipping, rotate on the X. The handle, you can round off those edges. There I can and we have that. So let's see where we can add this door. What are you planning to make next? I don't really have any idea yet. So suggestions are welcome. Let me add a cutout for this door. Make a short film. That's a lot more than I can do by myself. I think you are underestimating how much work it requires to do a short movie or a short film. It requires more than one person. It's quite a lot of work. Let me assign a new material on this. And I think let's see, what else can we... I can get some rocks. Like debris or something. These are rocks I got from Megascans. You have me ask me for models. Yeah, that would be amazing if even 2 people are not enough to make a short movie, at least in a period, in a reasonable time that I usually like to do things. Thank you, MoreX90, for subscribing. Really appreciate that. Some bugs for rubbish. I do have bugs. Did I call them rubbish? Let me see. Street. I think I might have them in my street park. Yeah, these here. These are also from Mixamo. Nice suggestion. You can add Megascans can't be used in Blender for monetary purposes, I am led to believe. Yes, they can't, but where are they going to find me? Yeah, they usually, I don't think they mind. You can't use them in your projects, but what are they going to do? I'm making Instagram a thing again next. Yeah. I think we can do that. Let me first optimize my images a bit. They will find you on YouTube. Yeah, I don't think they would go for a YouTube channel as small as mine. Nah, I don't think so. But you never know. This time ancient theme. Yeah, we can try that. Let me wait for my images to optimize. I think I should have a way to tell how many images are done somewhere. Like show a number maybe here for each image. Be careful. Yeah, so I didn't get any. You're right. I shouldn't be this stupid to even suggest they can't get me. Anyway. Okay, I think these things are supposed to be big. Most of the models I'm using here are actually my models. This one here is mine. And I think I should make this give it that pipe material. Just use object projection. Can you pronounce Rudra? What does that mean? A man saying he has a small channel, but mine is 12 subs. Yeah, because in comparison, there are channels with over, I don't know, 1 million subs. So I'm comparing my channel to those channels. What about some flickering lights or something to break up the lighting? Yeah, we can add some flickering light and maybe some volumetrics. Let me first see how our volumetrics would work here. So those, I think that's one way to break up the light. And let me have the camera volumetrics set to 50. Let me see, what's the distance? In that 15. Yeah, we can add some volumetrics like that. Is your name? Nice. Nice to meet you. What about you, Fleetwood? What's your real name? Some flickering lights. Yeah, so the way I set up the lights, they work. I'm using a sampling from this light instance, so animating this light would be a bit difficult. All of the lights would flicker. Today is my friend's birthday. Can you say happy birthday? Jashish. Happy birthday, Jashish. Hopefully I'm not butchering your name, but happy birthday. Now welcome to the stream. Okay, let me see. What else can I do? What else should we? Let's go to the asset library, search for some stuff to add in here. Have these seats. Let me first make sure that this is not getting in the way.